right there. Also what I do is have people drop their leg here. What do you think that does, Joel?
Rotates you a little more.
Rotates you more if they're comfortable with that. So I'm not doing this. I can drop straight down with my own body to get that area to move. And what I do too, because I'm 51, I use more my forearm here on their SI and lower back than direct contact. All right. I want to save my body too. There we go. That's side for me too. Is that okay?
Yes.
Good. That's all of the pressure on the same thing here. I'm going to put my leg on the table. Leg drop for me, Joel. Good range of motion. Lift that foot if you can't touch the floor. Hold that right there. Helps relax the leg, the hamstring, the back. Take a deep breath in. Relax your head for me. Boom, just like that.